Living in the moment is one of the most healing choices we can make. It's where freedom lives. Not just freedom from the past or from cravings, but freedom to be. Notice that in this very moment you are safe. You are not using. You are not lost. You are right here, grounded in the now, and that is something to be deeply proud of. There is nothing to worry about in this moment. You have what you need, your breath, your heartbeat, your awareness. That is enough. You are enough. So often, we're pulled into regrets about the past or fears about the future, but the past is gone. It cannot hurt you here. And the future hasn't arrived. Worrying about what might come won't change it. It only robs us of the peace we can experience right now. This moment, this single breath is your life. And in it, you are whole. You are on a path of healing and growth. You are doing something really brave. Recovery isn't some distant destination. It's here, unfolding in each second you choose to stay present. So let yourself enjoy this moment. Let yourself smile even a little. You are doing so well. You are doing something miraculous, just by being here, right now, with love in your heart and hope in your spirit, living in this moment only. All is well.